Hey guys, back here for another video. Today we're going to react to cute dogs. Wait, cute dogs. Because the other video we react to baby cats. So let's watch.
Get that puppy. There you go. Jesse, you're sitting on her head. Hey.
Are you supposed to be feeding the doggy? What are you doing? Are you teasing him? Poor dog.
Sucking on it. What a ridiculous dog. Lucy, okay.
Coco's not letting the baby. There seems to be a recurring theme here in the Stetler house. You hear that noise here? This would be a certain white dog with something that belongs to the baby.
And I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.